Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani and welcome back to yet another session of 12 Minutes to CLAT. Today we're going to discuss another extremely important topic which has created a lot of controversy recently, which is about the unveiling of the new national emblem of India. So I think you know that in the past we have discussed about a very important Central Vista project under which a new parliament for our country, including a lot of important ministerial buildings and other structures of national importance are being constructed in Delhi, ठीक है, in Central Delhi. और इसको भी बहुत ज़्यादा you could say controversy के अंदर आया था Central Vista, wherein the opposition said that the government has been spending a lot of money unnecessarily on this project. So under this project recently, the new national emblem of India over the Parliament building was unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The point of controversy was that this particular national emblem was a little different as compared to general national emblem जो हमारा इंडिया का होता है. Now what was the difference in this national emblem was that the 4 lions that we have on our national emblem generally, this time we had 4 roaring lions. So some people call it really creative in the sense that this sends a very good message to the entire world that India as a country has become really fierce and aggressive now and will not take any nonsense whatsoever from anybody in the world. But on the other hand, it met with a lot of critics and a lot of criticism from the opposition as well, which is going to be a point of concern, the point of controversy that we're going to discuss today. First of all, very important thing to discuss here is that the new emblem is 9,500 kgs heavy as well as 6.5 meters, which is approximately 21.3 feet high. So it's a very beautifully designed emblem. And what generally is a national emblem is first thing we have to understand in this particular session. So on 26th of January 1950, when our constitution was adopted, the national emblem was also adopted in India. So what exactly is a national anthem? It's basically adopted, or you could say an adaptation of the Sarnath lion capital of King Ashoka. So on the top of it, it has 4 lions. उसके नीचे अगर आप देखोगे तो there is an Ashok Chakra as well. अशोक चक्र के साथ में there are 4 animals और चारों का कुछ कुछ relevance है. एक galloping horse है. Now that galloping horse is the horse of Lord Buddha. जब Lord Buddha अगर आपको पता होगा he used to be a prince. तो जब वो निर्वाणा के लिए निकले थे तो he had taken that horse with himself. तो galloping horse उसको signify करता है. There is also a bull there which signifies the zodiac sign of Gautam Buddha, which was Taurus. There is also an elephant. तो ये बहुत famous एक story है. Then when Gautam Buddha's mom conceived Gautam Buddha, she felt that उनके पेट में एक elephant आ गया है. ठीक है? That is what she felt, and that is why एक elephant भी वहां पर रखा गया है. And the 4th is a lion again. ठीक है? उस 4 animals में एक lion भी है वहां पे, which signifies the attainment of enlightenment. तो ये 4 जो एनिमल्स हैं इनके अपने अपने सिग्निफिकेंस है और उनके नीचे यू विल फाइंड द वर्ड रिटन सत्यमेव जयते व्हिच हैव बीन अडॉप्टेड फ्रॉम दिस उपनिषद कॉल्ड द मुंडका उपनिषद और इसको देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा गया है. सो दिस इज द जनरल एम्बलम ऑफ आवर कंट्री. नाउ व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दिस नेशनल एम्बलम? नेशनल एम्बलम इज एक्चुअली द ऑफिशियल सील ऑफ आवर कंट्री. तो आप कोई भी इंडियन बिल्डिंग देख लो या इंडिया का कोई भी लेटर हेड देख लो, लुक एट आवर करेंसी नोट्स और इवन कॉइन्स, लुक एट द पासपोर्ट ऑफ आवर कंट्री. ठीक है? या फिर आप कोई किसी भी हाई कोर्ट की बिल्डिंग देखोगे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बिल्डिंग देखोगे, पार्लियामेंट की बिल्डिंग देखोगे, लुक एट दी बिल्डिंग ऑफ दी प्रेसिडेंट एज वेल. तो ये जो सारे लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव और जुडिशरी की बिल्डिंग्स होती है उन पर लगाया जाता है. राइट? तो इट वर्क्स एज एन ऑफिशियल सील और हर जगह इसको यूज किया जाता है wherever there is an Indian government का डॉक्यूमेंट. राइट? Another very important thing to understand here is, other than this, there are obviously certain other national symbols also, which includes our national flag, the tricolor, the national anthem, which is Jana Gana Man, the national song, which is Vande Mataram, the national flower, which is lotus, the national animal, which is tiger. But ये जो national emblem है ना, सारे official documents में जो मैंने अभी 5 आपको चीजें बताई, इनको कभी यूज नहीं किया जाता. नेशनल एम्बलम को यूज किया जाता है. इट इज लाइक द सिग्नेचर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है? एक ऑफिशियल सील होती है सरकार की, तो इसलिए इसको पर्टिकुलरली इन चीजों पर यूज किया जाता है. अब सवाल ये है कि इट ऑलवेजली मेट विद अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रोवर्सी बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट ने थोड़ा सा इसको चेंज कर दिया इस बार. इंस्टेड ऑफ जो नॉर्मल लायंस उस पे 4 होते थे, उसकी जगह इस बार 4 रोरिंग लायंस है. सो व्हाट इज द बेसिस ऑफ दिस कंट्रोवर्सी और व्हाट इज द बेसिस ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई टू टेल यू इन दिस सेशन एज वेल. सो देयर इज एन एक्ट कॉल्ड द स्टेट एम्बलम ऑफ इंडिया प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ इम्प्रॉपर यूज एक्ट ऑफ 2005. इस पर्टिकुलर एक्ट के अंडर इट क्लियरली सिग्निफाइज कि अगर कोई भी इंसान हमारे नेशनल एम्बलम का इम्प्रॉपर यूज करता है या फिर अनऑथराइज यूज करता है, इट इज अ पनिशेबल ऑफेंस. So the opposition says that this particular use of our national anthem wherein we have changed it सब कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं कि क्रिएटिवली किया है, कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं, इट शुड नॉट हैव बीन चेंज द वे इट इज डन. So I think it is up to you to decide whether was it an unauthorized or an improper use of our national emblem, or is it justified. I would really like your comments on this or opinion on this in the comment box. Other than that, a lot of you would know that I've been teaching on Unacademy as well, particularly current affairs and legal reasoning, and I was able to crack more than 85% of the questions in CLAT 22 current affairs section, which everybody in fact told that it is very difficult, but हमारे लिए वो difficult नहीं था. So you can join my classes there also at 9:15 PM every night. I do a free class on Unacademy which is called the Current Affairs Championship Series. आप उसके backlogs भी cover कर सकते हो because आपको उसकी previous recordings भी मिल जाएगी. And at 5 PM also from Monday to Friday, I do a plus and an iconic class. So you can take a subscription as well. You will get a 10% off using my code Malpani on all your subscriptions. So you can definitely take your subscriptions and come to my classes. They will sufficiently help you. If you feel that you like my teaching and make a difference in your preparation, I'd be very happy to see you in my classes. So that's it about the session from my side. If you like my sessions, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and don't miss any updates from us. Keep liking us and keep following us like this. Thank you so much, guys. Other than that, अगर किसी को भी कोई भी problem है with this particular issue, mention in the comment box. I'll be very happy to answer that as well. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो समझ में आ गया या फिर आपको लगता है कि ये वीडियो आपकी बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करने वाला है, and you can share it with certain other people also, because not just CLAT aspirant, this is something that everybody in this country needs to know, because this controversy has been highlighted quite a lot in news media as well as in print media as well. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again with the next session very, very soon.